Hello guys, in today's video I shall be talking about the AI trading forex token here, which is popularly known as the ATF token. Yes, this update has been existing for some time now, and a lot of people have been cashing out. As you can see, these are cash out, or some people that are actually running this update. So I decided to do a research about it, and I'm here to give you guys my research. All right, if you've watched up to this point, I will like you to stick around to watch this video to the end, because in today's video I will give you guys a detailed guide of how to get started on the ATF token, how to get started, how to mine the ATF token, everything you need to know about the ATF token. All right, I would like you to stick around to watch this video to the end, so I don't miss out on any information. And if this is first time joining my channel, I would like you now to go down and smash the subscribe button. Do want to turn on the bell notification icon, so that when next I post any update, you'll be the first to be notified. You see, the ATF tokens is actually pulling weight, and this coin also is actually listed on the Ton blockchain. Yes, it is listed on the Ton blockchain. So in my next video, I'll be showing you guys how to add the ATF to your Ton wallet. All right, like I said, this ATF token is actually listed on the Ton blockchain. You can get this either in your Telegram Ton wallet or your Tonkeeper and Stormfi Ton wallet. That being said, I'm going to be dropping the link to the ATF Telegram mining bot. All right, so do well to click on the link to get started. Now let's move right into the video. Now to get started, you're going to be clicking the link, and the link will bring you to Telegram. Now there are only two things you need to get started in this update: just your Telegram account and your Ton wallet. You can make use of the Telegram Ton wallet or the Tonkeeper Ton wallet. All right, you're going to be clicking the link, and it's going to be bringing you to your Telegram. And before you get started, please make sure you download a Tonkeeper wallet. As you can see, this is a Tonkeeper wallet here. So go down to Play Store or iOS Store, download a Tonkeeper wallet, create an account before you click on the link. The only criteria to get started mining is connecting your wallet. You're going to be connecting your wallet. As you can see, my Tonkeeper wallet is actually connected to the ATF Telegram mining bot. All right, that is the one criteria for you to get started mining. So that being said, now when you click on the link, it's going to take you to Telegram. It's going to take you to Telegram. Now, let me just go back and show you guys how to get started. Now when you click on the link, it's going to bring you here. So you get started. When you come, the first thing you need to do is to connect your wallet. Now after connecting your wallet, you see the here that have claim, you will need to tap on start mining. All right, so you need to connect your wallet to start mining. There are a couple of navigation bar here. Now under the tags, all right, we can get to perform tasks here. As you can see, these are tasks we can perform, and every tasks are made available every 2 to 2 hours. So when you perform these tasks, all of them here, you can see the corresponding ATF tokens you can get to earn from each task. All right, and the tasks are made available every 2 hours, so you can come here every 2 hours to perform your tasks. And also let me take you on under the miners here. There are different levels in ATF miner. All right, as you can see, I just got started now, so I'm still in level 1. All right, for me to progress to level 2, I need to have 100 ATF tokens. Yes, as you can see, my mining speed here, I have 0.20 theta hertz per second. All right, so if I upgrade to level 2, this is what I'm going to be having. I need 100 ATF tokens to upgrade to level 2. Now if I go to the mine section, you can see I have only 37 ATF tokens. And I also forgot to say that the ATF token is currently trading at the rate of 0.0015. all right, it currently had 3 zeros. Now 1 zero has been cancelled, and the value of the ATF tokens keep rising, and this update is completely for free. You do not need any formal investment to get started to start earning on this platform. All right, now and it's also, again, you can move to level 2. There are a couple of levels here, as you can see. So many levels here. All right, so these are corresponding tokens you need to migrate to the next level. Now for this to unlock, I need 100 tokens here. So now that being said, to get to referral link here, this is where you get to referral link. It does under the friends section. You tap on this and you share to your friends and loved ones. For those of you who have community, you can share the update in your community, and also the more referrals you earn, you get, the more you earn. Also, you can see I'm here earning for my referrals. As you can see, I have a couple of referrals here. As you can see, most of them are active, and you can also get to earn from them, and you get to earn 100 ATF tokens for each referral you refer that completes their KYC. Or let me show you guys how to do your KYC. Now under the KYC, under the profile section here, you can see a section for to do your KYC, to your verify. Now when I tap on the verify, you can see that you can read through this, and okay, these are what you need to do your KYC. In another video, I would want this video to be longer than it should be, so I'm going to be recording in my next video how to verify account. For those of you that can, you can just read through this and follow the steps to verify your account. All right, still under your profile section here, to withdraw, all right, I forgot to even state that 500 ATF tokens is the minimum to withdraw. All right, you can withdraw directly to your Townkeeper wallet. And okay, let me show you guys something under the withdraw section here. Under withdraw section, okay, now you can see available pool is 37 ATF, minimum withdrawal is 500 ATF. Now the coin is currently trading at the rate of 0.0015, so you can know the equivalent for that. All right, so to withdraw, okay, I have 37, I can withdraw. Like I said, I'm going to be withdrawing. My next video, I'll be showing you guys how to withdraw, how to convert your ATF tokens to gram. All right, I can withdraw to your wallet. I want to believe you have gotten value from this video. If you have done so, I would like you now to click and smash the subscribe button. Do well to turn on the notification icon so that when I start uploading any content, you will be the first to be notified. And also, I would also like you to drop a decent comment. What do you think? And I'll do well to subscribe. Now, I'm going to be showing you guys in my next video how to add the ATF contract address to your Townkeeper wallet or your Telegram wallet. And also in my subsequent video, I'm going to make another video too, where I will show you guys how to withdraw. All right, I just started, and I didn't feel to share it with you guys or all my community. All right, because on my channel here, I share legit updates on how to make money online, all right, and how to scale your income online. So if you're a student or stay at home looking for how to scale your income or how to earn online, this is your go-to channel. And like I usually say, now under this button here, you can read through and know more about this project. Like I usually say, that whatever update I drop here, you can do it to further make your own research. All right, further on make yourself, because I'm not a financial advisor, so do it to make your own research before you position on this update. So that being said, thank you guys for watching and sticking to this point. See you in my next update. Cheers.